welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making some coasters here with these wooden blanks, but I want to use my own stickers. Now, I drew these pictures quite a while ago, and if you'd like to know how I make the stickers and etc., I'll link the video on how I made the stickers at the end of this video, and it is fairly easily done. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stickers onto here and then dome them with resin. Now, these stickers are made on photo paper, so there should be no reason why they need sealing. So without too much further ado, I'm just going to quickly make my stickers, and then I'll show you how to put them onto your coasters and then dome them with resin. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And please hit the like button. It really does help my videos to get out there. And also, you're more likely to be shown them and notifications and recommended them, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I will provide affiliate links to everything that I used today in the description below, so it's nice and easy for you to get hold of anything that I'm using. I've made my stickers now, so they're all ready to go on to the coasters once they're ready. Now, all I'm doing is I'm just giving these coasters a couple of coats of acrylic white paint to give them really a background, and to also ensure that the coasters are nicely sealed when the resin goes on the top and they're not going to release any bubbles. So I'll come back when I'm ready to put the stickers on the coasters and then put the finishing touches to them and pour the resin. So these are nice and dry now and the stickers are ready to go on, but what I've decided to do is I've decided to do an edging around these stickers, because these stickers I've cut so that they do create a little edge, and I'm going to put a gold leaf around them just to give them a bit of a lift and a bit of a shine. I've done gold leaf quite a lot, and I'll link the video on how to use gold leafing with your resin at the end of this video as well, and I'll also link it in the description along with all the links to everything that I'm using as well. I've got my gold leaf on here now, and I just need to take off my stickers. They should be nice and sticky on the back. If not, they wouldn't be stickers, would they? And I'm just going to centrally put them on there like so, and make sure that they're all rubbed down. There we go. And now they're just waiting. Once these are finished, they'll be ready for me to pour on my heat resistant resin so that these can be used as coasters. And there is nothing more satisfying, I think, than making your own stickers that you've drawn yourself that you then use to make into something that can be used. I'm really pleased at how those have started to come out. I've popped the coasters up onto the top of these empty yogurt pots to ensure that they're not resting on my mat, just in case the resin does flow over the edge. But it shouldn't do, using this technique of a pipette to put a dollop of resin in the middle of each coaster. I just want to say a quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now. Thank you. Without my members and the people that buy me coffees, I just would not be able to keep this channel going, so I really do appreciate it. So what I'm using now is I'm using a pipette that it has got some resin in it, because then I can slowly add resin to the actual coaster itself onto the edge, so the surface tension of the resin prevents it from flowing over the edge of the coaster itself. And I find this technique works really, really well for doming. I'm just going to the edge, and what I like about a pipette is because it's soft plastic, it's not going to mark your coaster or your design or your pattern in any way, shape or form. If you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for all my videos, the link can be found in the description. So just adding a bit more into the middle, just popping the bubbles with my lighter, because I don't want to heat up the resin and cause it to thin out anymore, because then it might flow over the edge. And what I will do now is I will leave these for about 5 minutes, check them again for bubbles, so I've got the nice clearest effect, cover them up, and then leave them to allow them to cure. These are all finished now, and I'm really pleased with how they've come out. I love these. I think they're so cute, and they would make such a great gift for someone. Let me know in the comments what you think. They're so easy to make as well. It's really surprising how easy they are to make. And they're all nice and hard, and as you can see, they've got a little dome on them, which is enough, and you could put some felt on the bottom of them. And it's so nice to be able to draw your own stickers, which is really simple. Make your own stickers and then use them in resin as well. Check out the video on how to make your own stickers and draw your own stickers. It's a really simple process, and I'll link that at the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I release videos several times a week. I also have a new channel, which I'll link in the description below as well, so check that one out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on that, so I really would appreciate you checking it out. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee or become a member just to say thank you and help support my channel, then the links to those are in the description. Take care, enjoy your resin, bye.